Hey guys, what's up? It's James with Unbox Reality. We've got the Nintendo Switch in the neon blue and red colorway. We'll open up the box and see what's inside. So let's go. Alright, so as I already mentioned, this is for the neon red and blue colorway Nintendo Switch. Let's go ahead and open up the box here. They got the Joy controllers and the screen sitting right up top. Let's pull these out and take a look at them. Alright, so first impression, these are tiny. I kind of got big hands, so we'll see how this is for someone with big hands. Alright, the screen. Looks like a decent sized screen here. It's got a bit of an edge to it. It's on the thick side, but you would expect that because this is the part of the Switch that has all the horsepower under the hood. It's going to have some width to it. It's going to have those vents on top for cooling. So it's not going to be slim like a tablet. So underneath that first layer, you got your paperwork. Looks like you've got a HDMI cable. And here you have your power brick. Looks like it goes to USB Type-C. And these are the button adapters for the Joy-Cons. If you're using those independent from the screen, that'll add a little bit of extra size to the Joy-Cons, which is good, especially for me since I got some big hands. And here you got the controller adapter. You could slide both Joy-Cons in there and make a normal size controller out of it. And inside here, this is going to be your docking station for if you want to hook up your Switch to a larger screen, if you want to hook it up to your regular TV. And that's it for everything that's inside the box. So let's go ahead and put this together and see how everything works. So the controllers simply slide onto the sides of the screen. It's super easy to get them on there. They go on real nice. It's actually kind of satisfying taking them on and off. It's such a smooth process. There are some release buttons on the top, on the front and back, that you just simply pinch and then pull the remotes off. Now if you're using this as a handheld unit, this is how it's going to look for you. It's pretty comfortable touch. The buttons are a good placement. Again, like this, having big hands, I'm not going to mind using it like this. And of course you got the controller adapter. The regular controllers are just going to slide right in there, just like it did on the screen. They're going to release the same way. Just grab those buttons in the corner and they'll slide right out. Then we got the adapter if you want to use this on a larger screen. This would obviously hook up to your TV. And then when you want to go from handheld to TV play, you simply just slide it in like that. Simple enough, it's no pushing it down, it just sits in there nice and easy. There's some guides in there to help make sure you put it in the right spot. Pretty effortless. Alright guys, that is it. Thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for some videos where we go over gameplay and how this system performs. But until then, be sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one.